Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Crypto Traders Arena Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Friday, August 16. Well, we'll start as usual with Bitcoin. Morning, Christian. Morning, Stefan. Morning, everyone. So, on a daily chart on Bitcoin, you can see we have an EM at 60k level. That's not bullish. Yeah. We fighted this level a couple of days and we lost the fight, seems like. Could be a fake out, okay, could be a fake out, but we have an EM exactly at 60k level. That's not bullish in my view. We have high, low, lower high, lower low. We can draw a channel. You can see expanding volatility. Seems like we need more data for that. But that's not bullish. I'm expecting 56. You can see we touched that level. We bounced a little bit. But we can go really fast in the long reload zone here. Candle body lows for trade location 61.8. I could see that happening. If it's a fake out, okay, we'll accept above 60k, above 61, and we'll push higher. But for the moment, we have to take it exactly like it is. EM and clear breakdown from that EM. It's valid now. Doesn't sound too nice when I say it like that, but that's what we have on the chart. Looking here, well, rejected like we said yesterday and a couple of days ago. The RSI is rejecting 50 line. That's not bullish again. And OBV didn't want to follow the price action. And you can see it's back down here. Again, this is not really bullish for Bitcoin. In the same time, consolidating this level, holding 52, not bad. We had a really nice dump in 52 here. We bounced and now we are retesting that level. That could form a big W. And that will be really nice. Will take some time. We'll have to wait for that, like we waited for this EM. But overall, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, even on medium term. I know, this time is different. Bitcoin will never reach the highs. The cycle is over. You know the drill. But let's take it level by level. When the Bitcoin is dropping, influencers are calling for new lows. When it's pushing to the highs and into the resistance, influencers are calling for new highs and things like that. So let's take it level by level. We have an EM in 61.8 60k. Let's deal with that on a lower time frame. Ethereum, kind of similar, weaker, and we don't have the same EM. We have something different. We can form here, let's assume that this is a shoulder, this is the head, and we can form a head and shoulder. But overall, seems like, even if it's weak, it's a bit stronger. If you compare this bounce, if you compare it to Bitcoin, Ethereum is a bit stronger. So, indicators, ugly. Look at OBV. OBV has new lows here. That's not bullish. RSI never touched 50% or 50 line. Not bullish again. If we can see an EM here, yeah, I could think about this one reaching the long reload zone. And again, you can see 61.8 is here. Candle body lows for trade location. Okay, we kind of had a retest here of this candle. So if we EM out, I could see even new lows. I could see $2,000 back here in the long reload zone. It's too early to call that. Let's take it level by level. I don't have a good location for a trade here on daily. Not even on 4-hour chart. On lower time frame, Stefan already posted a long idea from a bounce from the first stop from 38.2. So yeah, we can scalp, we can trade, but on lower time frame, yeah, on higher time frame, nothing I can do here. You can see, no. Bitcoin dominance. Well, we have that kind of ugly here. You can see down, one candle up, then down, confirm the M. Now we're bouncing again. In the same time, like we discussed it, we can see a range here, fighting 57 level. I still think we can have nice things on altcoins if Bitcoin dominance will push lower here. It's possible. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, it's going sideways, it's losing some steam, so I don't see an advantage here. You know my 2 cents that Ethereum versus Bitcoin should go a bit lower in the long reload zone, but that's my opinion. And we don't have a weekly W. Now you can see until we'll have a weekly W, I don't see the reversal. Will take some time. A weekly W takes at least 1 month. At least 1 month. And I don't know if you can consider a W only from 4 candles or 5 candles. But at least 1 month. Will take some time to form. For the moment here, if you look at weekly, clear downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. We don't have to overcomplicate things. Just look at the market structure. Yeah. Lower highs, lower lows, well, downtrend, clear. Yeah, let's wait here in the long reload zone. Maybe we can find a reversal, but will take time, like I said. Back on daily. DXY, a nice bounce here. It's trying to form a W. If we'll accept above 103.5, then we'll have a nice W and we can push back in the range. But for the moment, it's just dancing, bouncing here in 61.8. Okay, Bitcoin we talked about. Total, they look similar. We can look every day at total 1, total 2, but they look similar with Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look on Bitcoin on weekly chart, just to see how the candle looks at this point in time. Well, you can see in decision candle, weak and tail really big and body. You can see the candle body here is tiny, and we have kind of similar situation until now on the last candle. Keep in mind this candle will close Monday morning, so that will be the time when we'll reassess. Let's see what will happen. Okay, that's the overview. If you have questions or requests, guys, please type in the chat. Type in the chat and I'll gladly take a look. Now, let's see what we have on lower time frames. If you remember, we discussed this shark setup here a couple of days ago. Well, it's deep in profit. And you can see it here on 1 hour chart. Lower highs, lower lows for the moment. Even on 4 hour chart, you can see the same structure. Well, if it's lower highs, lower lows, any bounce here, I'll try to find, for example, here, I'll try to find a level to short it again. But because I'm short from 78.6 all the way up at 61, I don't care. I'll just leave it like that. I made a free position, so I closed 50% at 1-to-1, and from now on is up to the market. I'll trail it. I'll leave it a lot of room to go up and down. If you remember, we had a long here. We made some money. We had another long somewhere in here. We made some money. Oh, it's okay. I don't want to, in these market conditions, just look here. This is ugly to trade. If I have a position, I'll just leave it there. I'm in a free position. That's the best part of it. Okay, so on Bitcoin here you can see I posted last night. I posted about pump chaser zone. I said, okay, we can look for a long here in the pump chaser zone, but we need more for a setup. And you can see here, not too many things already in the pump chaser zone. Here we didn't have clear indicator, we didn't made a clear W here. We just bounced from pump chaser zone. If it's so strong and is bouncing without me, well, so be it. I don't care about that. But if I'll see a clear W, then I could take a setup. And I even discussed it with Stefan, and I said I'll wait for a clear setup. Yeah, Bukur, just a minute. So I need a general setup. So I need location. I need indicator confirmation. I don't know if everyone knows what that means. Yeah? Bullish divergence, but confirm bullish divergence. And then market structure. So I need a clear W. Okay, you said whales on Solana. Yeah, whales is going down. I bought a lot of whales, but I need to go on DEX if I remember correctly. On DEX screener, and we'll take a look, and then we'll come back at the altcoins. I have a big bag, that's for sure. Let me see, watch list here, projects, if I remember here. Let's see, whales. There you go. Well, I bought here a lot higher. I'll definitely wait for a W and I could buy more. You can see liquidity, 500,000, market cap 3 million. Not bad. Really good area to, if you believe in this project, to buy it and get your 100x from this level. But if you have a bag, okay, you can dollar cost average to draw your price, average price down. But careful here. You don't want to exceed the total risk on this coin. So if you decided, well, I'll risk 1% and you already have 1%, fuck it, just leave it like that. Wait for a bounce. If you still have room to buy more and without breaking your risk management, okay, you can add here. I don't see a bottom here for the moment. Yeah, it's trying to bottom here at this level. Okay, you can look left, you see the support and resistance, but we need a clear W here. Let's say a daily W, not a weekly W. But to call a bottom in anything, you kind of need a weekly W in a good location. Yeah, below 78.6 usually. We have location, we just need to wait for that W, Bukur. Well, if it's a slice of pizza, so a small amount of money is not a problem. Why? Because this one could also go to zero, but also go to the moon. They have a working product. The idea is if they will survive this not bear market, but people are losing interest in meme coins and things like that. Okay, let's go back on Bitcoin here. So no setup yet. I see a downtrend here on 1 hour chart, even on 4 hour chart I could see the same. Yeah. So as Ken was posting, well, this looks like head and shoulder here. Shoulder, head, another shoulder, neckline, breakdown, retest. Looks like. Let's see. To convince me that it's not bearish and it doesn't want to go to the long reload zone, take this higher list, 59,860K. So accept above 60K, and then we can think about, okay, let's think on the long side. If we want to long, pump chaser and long reload zone, but we don't have setups yet. Okay, I'll start with ton. Altcoins, you can see we have the bot set up here. Who wants to take it? Okay. Who doesn't want to take it? Don't take it. It's up to you. As I repeat multiple times, I'm not a financial advisor. I'll tell you what I do with my own money. And if someone feels that these live streams, they are a waste of time, please don't watch them. Go do something else. I had a discussion on VIP. And if you cannot follow the trades one by one, and you have the tendency to select them, you cannot respect the process to take trade by trade, don't trade. Stay on spot. Go on higher time frame, please. Don't try to do something that it's really hard for you. Scalping and day trading is not for everyone. Okay, that's on Ethereum. Well, on Ethereum, I didn't post this on public, but I discussed it with Stefan in a VIP live stream. And I said here, well, I love this level and I'll take an SFU. And I took it. And I'm trailing it. I don't know. If Ethereum is so strong, take this level, okay. I'll accept that I was wrong on my idea. But actually I wasn't wrong. And if you can see here, I reached 5 hours. So damn good trade anyway. Sometimes I'll post only on idea, or sometimes I'll just speak about an idea. This is the level I want to watch. I'll never post the trade. Either that it's too fast or I don't have time. Okay, CRV. Looks like toppy here. It's not a top, but on 4-hour chart you can see A, B, C, D completed. This looks like a distribution pattern. Hopefully we'll push higher if you are long, but for me it's time to wait here in the long reload zone or pump chaser zone for a W. I don't have a setup. I don't want to chase here. E-gold, it's coming home. You can see EMs, and I think in the long reload zone will be a good idea. Here, don't touch it. You can see against EMs, too many EMs here. Joe, well, we touched pump chaser zone. We rejected a little bit, but keep in mind, 38.2 is just the first stop. We'll bounce from there, but usually doesn't hold. Yeah? So we need pump chasers on lower, even long reload zone. I need a clear setup to take a trade. So no, similar thing on Pixel. Oh, you can see up, yamming out, pump chaser zone, maybe even lower. Who knows? FAT. Well, FAT is going sideways. Nothing unusual because it's a new coin now. Yeah, it's a new coin. New tokenomics. We'll try to find the bottom. Seems like the bottom will form definitely below $1. If it will be at 50 cents or if it will be lower, we don't know. For the moment, this low 70 cents is holding. For the moment. So, step by step, level by level. If I'll see here at 78.6 candle body lows, I'll see a nice W on 1 hour. Maybe I'll attempt a long, but here I'm not touching FAT. Solana, you can see it's lazy. It's just tagging 38.2 up and down. But overall, if you look from the top here at short reload zone, you can see we have lower highs and lower lows. Again, that's not bullish. We can see some signs. You can see bullish divergence forming on MACD. Bullish divergence forming on RSI. And that's it. But setup here, no. Alt, no. Dimension. We had a retracement 38.2. We bounced nicely, but we kind of have an EM here. PITE, similar, weight lower, IEVO. Well, bounced nicely, but you know, on daily, on 4-hour chart, you will see the dead cat bounce, and to find out if that is the bottom, you have to wait in the long reload zone. Why? Because it will form a big double if it will be the case. So here on daily, you'll see what I'm seeing. Yeah, okay, we bounced, and now we have to find out if this is the bottom. How we'll find out? We'll wait here in the long reload zone, and if you'll see a double and the market will reverse from here, and will accept above this level, then it's definitely trying to push higher. Until then, it's just ranging, dead cat bouncing. Yeah, you can anticipate, you can take these lows, you can try to dollar cost average. There are many things you can do. But classically, to find out if this is the bottom, you have to wait for the retracement here, and then try to take a long here, And if that will hold, well, we'll accept above this high and up we'll go. But it's too early to do that. And on 4-hour chart doesn't look like. We had the bounce and now we have some yams. Manta, similar, and ING, it's holding this uptrend channel. Pretty strong, and we had a trade. I saw it. I didn't have time to take it, but I saw the trade here. If you remember, we discussed this this channel yesterday in the live stream, and we said if the market will fake out here and will form a W and accept back above in the uptrend channel, then you can take a long. And you can see, almost we have 1-to-1 here. Yeah, and it's strong and it's pushing. Look at it. It's pushing higher and higher and higher. But now it's too late to take this trade. The trade was here. Yeah, I know when you see at the bottom of the channel, when you see the price action here, you don't feel like hunting longs there because you're assuming that will go lower. But that's why we have plans and that's why we have setups. Now it's too late to take the trade here. Okay, so not too many things to do. We still have to be patient. We can day trade. We can even, I don't know, swing trade on Bitcoin if we necessarily want, but we need good setups. Well, I don't see anything else on the chat. Hami, well, I don't think I have the Hami. I think, well, I have it, probably. Let me watch here. Look at it. Well, this is a classic shitcoin. And what you want to see here, they don't have a working product. You can see, I made some money, really nice money on this one. I cannot complain, Bukur. But you can see liquidity, okay, is there. Market cap, okay, acceptable. What you want to see every fucking time on these ones, if they are still posting, because it's a meme coin based on the community. Now, so you go on Twitter. If you want to go on their Telegram, okay. But usually what I do, I'll go on Twitter and I want to see if the motherfuckers are still posting. And look at this one. 3 hours ago. 14 hours ago. I don't think this developer wants to quit on Hami. Well, and this guy is not, at least doesn't look like a scammer and doesn't look like a stupid guy. Why the fuck you should quit your project here when you can wait for a fucking bounce and quit it here? If he's still posting here, that means he's posting and this one could pump. So this one looks even better than Wales, Bukur. What I like this fact. It's that simple. It's a meme coin. It's based on the community. If this motherfucker is posting, that's good. And you can see here 12 likes, 3 retweets, 300 views. Well, not good, not bad, not terrible. Views, they are telling me that the people are not interested in seeing. 12 likes here, well, maybe this guy is shadow banned. I don't think so. But you can see the sign is changed. So Hami wants to take it seriously. It's up to you. But good damn good location, and why not? A coffee, a pizza. Or you can wait lower a little bit where I initially bought. You can see half of the price we have now. So, well, it's forming a bottom. Now it doesn't look like this one will pump. When the market will be bullish again and Solana will be above $200, and this one will pump here, and I don't know, 10 times higher. People will ask me about this coin. So seeing you ask me here, I appreciate that. That's a good quality trying to buy here. A lot of people have years of experience and they didn't learn even that. Buy when nobody is paying attention. Buy when it's blood on the streets. Buy even if the blood is your own. Yeah. Black Friday on meme coins on Solana. So respect the plan. Don't sell your house to buy fucking meme coins. But now it's time to pay attention. So congrats for that, Bukur. Okay, I blabbed away 25 minutes. Let's keep it simple. Let's try to frame some trades. I don't like this location here, not even for scalping, so I need higher to short. I need lower to long. I'll go with Stefan and VIP and try to find some setups. If we'll find any, we'll post. So, guys, don't be shy, please. If you have a request or you want to ask something, just type in the chat. I'll gladly take a look. You can see I have the last 10 minutes for the requests, for the questions. So why not? Roshi, just go away. Please just go away. Don't be an asshole. Okay. So that's it from my part. See you guys Monday with the same live stream we have. Sunday we have the weekly crypto review. So we have a lot of live streams, and we'll consistently keep posting, keep following the plans, and hopefully most of you making money. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.